My name is Tanya, and I will read the poem Sleepy Birds by Mihai Eminescu in English. All those sleepy birds, now tired from flight, hide among the leaves, good night. Only the spring whispers when the wood sleeps silently. Even flowers in the gardens sleep peacefully. Swans glide to their nests. Sheltering among the reeds, may angels guard your rest. Sweet dreams. Above a night of sorcery comes the moon's graceful light. All is peace and harmony. Good night.